It's no secret that our bodies change as we age, and with that, the way we approach fitness also needs to evolve. While gym machines might seem like a safe and convenient option, some of them pose risks that outweigh their benefits, especially for individuals over 40. From joint strain to muscle imbalances, the wrong choice in gym equipment can lead to long-term issues. Today, we're diving into the 9 gym machines you should stop using if you're over 40 and exploring safer, more effective alternatives to keep you strong and injury-free. Stay tuned until the end, because number 5 is notorious for causing more harm than good in the long run. It's the leg extension machine, a staple in most gyms. But here's the kicker, it places significant stress on your knee ligaments and kneecap, especially under heavy loads. The mechanics of this exercise concentrate the force in a way that pushes the kneecap against the joint, potentially leading to cartilage wear, ligament inflammation, and even conditions like patellar chondromalacia. Instead of the leg extension machine, try the standing leg raise using a cable machine or resistance band. It targets your quads effectively without compromising your knee health. Attach a resistance band to your ankle end, standing upright, slowly raise your leg front to back. Focus on control and avoid jerky movements. While crunching away on this machine might feel productive, it's a fast track to back pain. Using excessive weight or incorrect form strains the lower back, creating imbalances between your abs and back muscles. Over time, this can contribute to chronic pain and even disc issues. Ditch the machine and embrace the plank. This classic bodyweight exercise strengthens your core, back, and abs without placing undue pressure on your spine. Plus, planks are endlessly customizable with variations like side planks or plank twist. The barbell bench press, a crowd favorite, is risky for anyone training solo. Heavy loads can strain the shoulders and chest joints, and poor technique increases the risk of injuries like tendonitis or even tears. Without a spotter, you're also exposing yourself to accidents if muscle failure occurs. Switch to dumbbell bench presses or the machine bench press. Dumbbells allow for a greater range of motion, which activates more muscles and distributes effort evenly. If you prefer the security of machines, the guided motion of the bench press machine ensures proper form and safety. These machines target the inner and outer thigh muscles, but at the expense of your hips and pelvic ligaments. The repetitive inward and outward motion under resistance can lead to strains or injuries, especially when heavy weights are involved. Try bodyweight exercises like the glute bridge. This low-impact movement strengthens your hips and thighs while also improving core stability. Lie flat on your back, bend your knees, and lift your hips toward the ceiling, squeezing your glutes at the top. The Smith machine seems like a safer bet for exercises like squats and bench presses, but its fixed path restricts natural movement. This can strain joints and reduce the engagement of stabilizing muscles by nearly 43, diminishing the effectiveness of the exercise. Go back to basics with free weights. A barbell squat or dumbbell squat requires stabilizing muscles, giving you a more functional workout. While it may feel intimidating at first, mastering proper form will provide long-term benefits and lower injury risk. Pulling the bar behind your neck forces your shoulders into an unnatural position, significantly increasing the risk of injury. If your shoulder flexibility is limited, this exercise could lead to chronic shoulder pain or even mobility issues. Stick to the front pull down, where you pull the bar down toward your chest. This modification reduces stress on your shoulders while still effectively targeting the lats and upper back muscles. The leg press machine puts an intense load on your knees and lower back, especially if you're sitting too low or using excessive weights. The risk increases with age as flexibility diminishes, leaving you more susceptible to injury. For bodyweight squats or dumbbell squats, which promote natural movement patterns and engage your core. They're also easily modifiable to suit your fitness level, making them ideal for those over 40. The PC deck can strain your shoulder joints if your form isn't perfect. This risk is magnified for individuals with pre-existing shoulder issues or limited flexibility. Push-ups are a superior option. They work your chest while engaging your shoulders, triceps, and core. With variations like incline, decline, or diamond push-ups, you can tailor the exercise to your goals. While intended to strengthen the lower back, this machine often causes more harm than good. Improper use can lead to excessive strain on the spine, resulting in discomfort or injury. The Supermat exercise is a safer and more effective way to target your lower back. Lie face down, extend your arms and legs, and lift them slightly off the ground. Hold for a few seconds before lowering back down. It's simple, low impact, and highly effective. Avoiding these gym machines doesn't mean compromising on your fitness goals. With proper alternatives, you can protect your joints, improve your strength, and enhance your overall health. Remember, after 40, it's about smarter workouts, not harder ones. Have any of these machines ever given you trouble? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more fitness insights.